Hi kittens, welcome or welcome back to Kid Noire. If you are new here, please don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button and like the video on your way out if you enjoy videos of this sort. So today, kittens, I'm bringing you a haul from Ross. There are some fall things included. However, not everything is centered around fall, right? First thing I got is this little case for $5 to hold my Samsung T7 in. So that's my storage device. I needed something to store that in because those are not cheap. So I bought this and I love the color. First of all, it has a little wrist strap and it has a little strap to hold your storage device, or you can put it in here, however. And yeah, it's just a storage case. Nothing too fancy. A candle from Ross. It was $8. And this is from a brand called Tender Flame. And this is pumpkin woods, the scent. And it has a wooden wick. My first time trying it with the wooden wick, y'all. So I'll have to let you guys know what I even think of it. But it smells so freaking good. So good. I like woodsy kind of scents. Oh, I love woodsy scents. Oh, like mahogany, teakwood, love it. Okay, so this is from DD's, a room spray. And this is the fragrance Pumpkin Patch. And I got this for $4. This smells so amazing. It smells so good with a hint of cinnamon. Love it. Okay, so also I just tried to record this video and I swatched these two blushes right here. This is from Ruby and Millie, New York. And these are cream and powder blush duos. And y'all, these are the worst blush duos ever. Okay, I got them because they were really pretty shades. You can see the shades are really pretty, right? And look at this pink, really fierce, right? Look how fierce that is. Now the powders perform very well. Okay, these are the powder blushes swatched. So this is Drama Queen and this is Spill the Tea. Beautiful, right? Now let me swatch the cream blushes. Okay, so here are the cream blushes. Okay, you can see Drama Queen right here. And here is Spill the Tea. I had to swatch it 7 times for Spill the Tea to even show up, right? Like it's just ridiculous. Like if I have to work that hard, honey, why do it? I got these for $6. So it wasn't a bad deal. The shades are beautiful, but at the very least, I can use the powder blushes and they go on with ease. So we'll just stick to that. It's this press setting powder from Bare Minerals. And I got this in the shade Sheer Deep. And this was $7. That's what it looks like. And to be honest with y'all, I got this mixed up with the invisible bronzer. I don't know why I just assumed this is the invisible bronzer. I don't even think I read this correctly until now. And I used it as a bronzer, so I am wearing it, y'all. But I mean, it's beautiful as the bronzer, but this is not what this is. This is a press setting powder. Honestly, I've used several pressed powders as bronzers, so I'm not new to that. But anywho, that is what I used it for. And you can see the perimeters of my face. And I am rocking this. Okay, so another thing that I got that's famous on TikTok, so this is the Glam Light Coca-Cola palette. I hauled the opposite one. It was the Coca-Cola Cherry palette. And that one was absolutely beautiful. But here is this one. Really gorgeous for $9. Okay. The packaging is everything. Glam Light's packaging is A1, but I just hate that I have to throw things like this away. This one, this is the Cherry Coca-Cola palette, right? But look how beautiful this is. And this was $5.99. It is the infamous pumpkin witch theme coffee. Look how beautiful. It's a jack-o'-lantern. How spacious that cup is. It's from Urban Decay for $13. It's the Urban Decay Smiley Naked Chill Happy palette. I really don't have much to say about it. It's okay looking. I will have to, you know, use it to see how much I really like it. But anywho, I got the Laura Mercier Illuminator in Rose Glow for $10.99. Here's what that looks like. It's from Pat McGrath. This is one of her blushes for $15.99. I was disappointed to get home and see that this was pretty much disconnected from the pan. That's what it looks like. And I have to hold it or it'll fall out, y'all. Really a beautiful blush. Here's what New Venus looks like swatched. So from Noire, I found this lipstick for $8.99 and it's in the shade Night Moves. What Night Moves looks like swatched. Beautiful fall color. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love this shade. Okay, here is an eyeshadow palette from ColourPop. This is the Fresh Greens eyeshadow palette, and I got this for $4.99. Here's what the Fresh Greens eyeshadow palette looks like. Really pretty. This is Good For You, and this is Killed It. Yep. I love green eyeshadow. So, yeah. Okay, so another item I just felt like I needed to grab is this fan right here. So it folds down like this, but it comes out into a fan like this, and then you can just snap that down, and then you turn it on. Here's the power button here, and there we go. Okay, and it's rechargeable. Oh yeah, and it has 3 speeds. This is medium. This is high. Then it's off. So yeah, this organizer. I thought this was really pretty. And I already own several of these organizers, especially with the pink at the bottom, like the rose gold at the bottom. I think these are adorable, but this is for $3.99. Yeah, some of my compacts just don't fit in these. But for like things like this, things like, so yeah, it's a neat way to store your products if they fit. I bought this Steve Madden gown from Ross as well. I got a BB t-shirt for $10.99. Really pretty. Look at the detail, y'all. Okay, so for $10.99, I got this beautiful, festive Halloween rug. So here is another thing that I happened to get from DD's. Beautiful, right? I got these right here, these sachets. I always get these and just throw them in like my linen basket, my laundry basket, or like the drawers or something like that, or just toss it in my closet. And this will keep everything smelling fresh. So I absolutely love these sachets and I swear by them. Unfortunately, kittens, we've reached the end of this video. If you haven't already, please don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button and like this video if you enjoyed this video. And until next time, bye kittens.